Hello students, in our previous lecture we discussed the topic public notice. In that lecture we discussed the introduction or what is the meaning of public notice, and we also discussed some examples of different types of public notices. Today we will discuss some more examples of public notices. So let us begin with the very first example of public notice today. This public notice is about draft a notice for the auction of a one canal house, Punjab State Urban Development Authority, Mohali, Punjab. Auction notice. Public auction of a one canal built up house, covered area 150 square meters, means you have to give the area which has been covered in the house. Covered area 150 square meters, single story, situated in housing complex sector 5, will be held on 21st August 2020 or 21 at 11 a.m. in the premises of the estate office. So this is the notice, and next there are the terms and conditions for the auction. First term and condition is parties will have to bid above the reserve piece of rupees 8 lakh. Second is 25% of the bid money will have to be deposited on the spot at the fall of the hammer. Means they have to deposit 25% of the bid money on the spot at the fall of the hammer. Third is remaining 75% of the amount will have to be paid in cash or through bank draft drawn in favor of the estate officer Mohali within 15 days of the auction. Next is possession of the house will be given after the entire bid money is paid. Possession of the house will be given after the entire bid money is paid. So when the person who buys the house, he has to give the entire bid money, and after that he will possess the house. Registration of the possession of the house will be given after the entire bid money is paid. Next is registration of the property will be subject to the rules and regulations of Punjab State Urban Development Authority. Registration of the property will be subject to the rules and regulations of Punjab State Urban Development Authority. So these are the terms and conditions for the auction notice of a one canal house. Other terms and conditions will be displayed on the notice board at the time of the auction. So in this draft of a notice for the auction of one canal house, there are only 5 terms and conditions, and you can write that other terms and conditions will be displayed on the notice board at the time of the auction. Superintendent Estate Officer. So this is the first example of our today's public notice. Let us now discuss another example. Draft a notice for a blood donation camp being organized by your bank. I repeat, draft a notice for a blood donation camp being organized by your bank. Punjab National Bank, main office, sector 17, Chandigarh. First of all, there is the address of the bank which is going to organize a blood donation camp. A blood donation camp will be organized on 2nd December 2020 in the Assembly Hall of Lajpat Rai Bhavan, Sector 15, Chandigarh. Bank officials from all branches of the bank of PNB bank, and the donors from public can donate blood. Honorable Director PGI will inaugurate the camp at 10 a.m. Bank officials donating blood will be treated on leave and served refreshments and lunch. So bank officials or the public donors from the public, they can donate their blood there. Honorable Director PJ will inaugurate the camp at 10 a.m. So you have to give the time of the camp. Bank officials donating blood will be treated on leave and they will be served refreshments and lunch after donating their blood. So this notice is by General Manager of the Punjab National Bank. Next, there is public notice for the auction of office furniture. Auction of office furniture. Auction for the sale of office furniture, steel almirahs, steel tables, cupboards, sofas, and chairs will be held on as is, where is basis in the premises of the office on December 30, 2020 at 10 a.m. And next, there are the terms and conditions for the auction. First is, before giving the bid, each bidder shall have to deposit an earnest money of rupees 1000, which will be refundable or adjustable. So every bidder have to deposit 1000 before the bid, before giving the bid. Second term is condition is, the highest bidder shall have to deposit 25% of the gross amount at the fall of the hammer. The rest of the amount shall have to be deposited within 1 month, failing which the amount deposited earlier and the security will be forfeited. So he has to deposit 25% of the gross amount at the fall of the hammer. Next condition is, the material has to be lifted within 1 week from the deposit of the full amount. A person can lift who has who is the highest bidder. The highest bidder has to lift within 1 week from the deposit of the full amount. So these are the conditions for the auction of office furniture. And next, there is the executive engineer, CPWD office, Railway Station Road, Haryana. This is the address of the person who is giving the notice of office furniture. So students, today we have discussed some more examples of different types of notices, like auction of one canal house, or notice for blood donation camp being organized by Punjab National Bank, notice for the auction of office furniture. All these are different types of notices. So learn and prepare all these notices for your exam. So tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you very much.